Imagine a force that can strike from sea, land, and air. This is the new reality. China's military amphibious vehicles are not just machines. They are game changers. They are reshaping power dynamics across the globe. From massive ships to high-speed tanks, these innovations are rewriting the rules of modern warfare. The pace of development is staggering. It demands our full attention. To never miss an update on these cutting-edge breakthroughs, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's begin. The Wuzhishan ship is a giant of the waves. It is a key part of the naval fleet. This vessel does more than just sail. It projects power. Its strong and reliable build allows it to handle many jobs. It can be a simple transport. It can also lead complex beach landings. The advanced systems on board let the crew adapt fast. Conditions at sea can change in an instant. This ship is built for those moments. It extends the Navy's reach far from friendly shores. This is crucial for protecting interests in vital regions. The Wuzhishan is a symbol of a new era. It shows a focus on high-sea exploration. It proves that China's military amphibious vehicles are a top priority. This focus boosts the entire Navy's readiness for any challenge. A new titan has touched the water. The first Type 076 assault ship, named Sichuan, just finished its first sea trial. This is a huge moment. The ship returned to its Shanghai shipyard after the test. Its size is immense. It weighs over 40,000 tons when fully loaded. You can spot it by its unique look. It has a dual-island superstructure and a long flight deck. This is a new generation of power. It uses brand new technology. This includes an electromagnetic catapult. This system lets it launch fixed-wing aircraft. This is a big deal for military amphibious vehicles. It can also carry helicopters and landing craft. The 3-day trial tested its core systems. The power and electrical systems were checked for reliability. The results were a success. This ship was launched just last December. This first trial is just the beginning. More tests will follow a careful plan. Engineers will study how the ship responds under different sea conditions. They will also evaluate the stability of the electromagnetic launch system during extended use. Each trial brings the vessel closer to full operational readiness. The Navy aims to integrate it into frontline missions once all systems prove dependable. This assault ship is expected to strengthen long-range projection capabilities. Its arrival marks a major step forward in China's modern naval development. To celebrate the Navy's birthday, a special event was held. The amphibious tank landing ship Wuzhishan welcomed the public. It was docked at a Shanghai port. People came in a steady stream all day. They walked the flight deck. They saw the big guns up close. They learned about the ship's structure and its missions. This open-day activity had a clear goal. It aimed to teach people about the ocean and the Navy. It helps raise awareness for national defense. A Chinese company has built something incredible. They claim their VN-18 is the world's fastest amphibious assault vehicle. How fast? It can sail on water at 30 kilometers per hour. That is the fastest speed for a vehicle of its kind. On land, it is even quicker. It can hit 65 kilometers per hour. It does this while carrying a heavy load. This includes a cannon, a machine gun, and 14 personnel. The secret to its speed is clever design. Its tracks and wheels can lift up into the body. This reduces drag in the water. Its engine is a monster. It produces 1,600 horsepower. That is power you usually find in heavy tanks. The VN-18 is a clear sign of innovative power. On a special military anniversary, a new ship was introduced. The 4th Type 075 amphibious assault ship, named Hubei, made its official debut. This ship is massive. Its displacement is over 40,000 tons. It has been given the hull number 34. This vessel represents the peak of advanced amphibious warfare. Its long flight deck is a key feature. It allows many helicopters to take off and land at the same time. This greatly improves operational efficiency. The ship also has a well-designed dock inside. A major test was completed for a giant flying boat. China's AG600-1000 and 3 large amphibious aircraft had its first engine test run. The test was a success. The engines were started in order, all systems were reported to be in good condition, all parameters were normal. This plane, codenamed Kunlong, is a multi-purpose machine. It is a key piece of equipment for the country's emergency rescue system. It was developed to meet specific needs. These include fighting fires and performing marine rescues. The assembly of this particular aircraft was finished earlier. Since then, many system tests have been done. Taking off and landing in strong wind is very hard. It can cause equipment to fail, but China's large AG600 amphibious aircraft has proven it can do it. The plane has passed all its required crosswind tests. This is a big achievement. It shows the plane's adaptability. It can operate in complex and difficult environments. This success opens the door for its use in many different scenarios. Whether for rescue or other missions, this ability is vital. It proves the plane's design is strong and reliable. This is crucial for any amphibious vehicle that must perform in tough conditions. At a major airshow, the AG600 amphibious aircraft drew everyone's eyes. It performed a stunning demonstration. During its flight, it showed its powerful water-dropping ability. It released a huge 9 tons of water in a single pass. This display highlighted its main value. It is perfect for firefighting and rescue missions. Its design is what makes it so special. It can take off and land on both land and water. This gives emergency teams much greater flexibility. They are not limited to just airports. They can operate from lakes or the sea during a crisis. The AG600 is an important step forward. It is part of a push to build advanced, multi-purpose aircraft. These planes meet national needs for emergency response. An amphibious drone just made history. The Hunjianglong took off and landed on a river. This is a first. It represents a major step for the low-altitude economy. The drone was developed by a Chinese company. Its specifications are impressive. It has a wingspan of 12.4 meters. Its maximum takeoff weight is 650 kilograms. It can fly far, with a range of 2,800 kilometers. Its endurance is 16 hours. It can carry a payload of up to 200 kilograms. Its design allows for short takeoffs and landings. It can use water, roads, or grassy fields. This reduces its need for traditional runways.